Kayla is good. Yes. Kayla is so good. You know, what I've learned on the internet is, and I even spazzed out the other day, and I should have just let it go over my head, but sometimes the disrespect be so loud that I just be having to get on and speak my piece. But what I've learned since I've been on here is Suds and Bubbles is underrated too. If y'all don't be at Sunday Fun Day, y'all is missing out. But back to what I was saying. What I've learned on here is everybody gonna have an opinion. Everybody not gonna like you. It's gonna be people that have no reason not to like you. It's gonna be people that try to drag you through the mud for their own entertainment. And you just gotta let it be what it's gonna be with these people, okay? Because sometimes it ain't even about you. Honestly. Oh yeah, we got Roma still. Hold on. We got two of that. Okay, period. If you're not at Sunday Fun Day, I don't know where y'all be on Sunday, but Sunday mornings, well, midday, I don't know exactly what time she be getting on. She just pop out like me, baby. Tanya and her Walmart voice. Yes, Tanya is a vibe, and Tanya got a bomb ass sink. I really feel like everybody is bringing something so different, so genuine to their aesthetic. It's so many different types of clean talk now. Like, you can really just find what's for you. Like, you literally can just find what is for you on here. And everybody not gonna be your cup of tea, and that's okay. God did not put you on this earth for everybody to like you. Remember that. But one thing about Sammy, good, bad, or indifferent, I'm gonna talk my shit. So if you don't like that, just scroll, baby. Just scroll. Just scroll on. L is bomb. L is bomb. Suds is bomb. I'm glad y'all names is popping up in the comments so I can give y'all flowers. Suds vibes really hit. Sammy, I'm gonna need you to come. I don't know what they said. It's gonna always be somebody out there that hates you just to hate you too. Let them hate you. Please let them hate you. That's making them feel better. We all want to be loved, but that's unrealistic. People gonna love you, but it's gonna be people out there that don't like you at all. Like the Rugrats. What was that show? What was that show? Little Rascals. I hate your stinking guts. One thing about Sammy, okay, baby, fuck it, we ball, okay. So yeah, just keep being you and keep doing you, baby. Everybody gonna have their time. I'll walk away, ignoring. I can't keep up. I can't keep up. Birthday live outside. Who did a birthday live outside? But can we talk about? Let's not talk about that. Let's not. I don't need nobody to clap for me, baby. I just do what I do because I enjoy it. Oh, yes. We love clean talk tips. What y'all talking about? Sammy used to hate me. Sky, you lying real bad. I didn't even know you not to like you. Yes, Lori Loves Pace is good. She does super huge overloads, and I love how her sink is just bottomless. Period, Roxy. Y'all don't listen to Sky. See how hoes be trying to drag your name through the mud? Thank you. Right there. Y'all witnessed it firsthand. Just get on here line, making up stuff. Thank you. Yes, sponge searching is good. No, nobody's listening to you, Sky. You're lying. Nobody is listening to you. I like ammonia too. Oh, thank you, Tim. I'm glad y'all can come in here and catch a vibe. My birthday ain't till August. Virgo squeezes RT, but Virgo done start getting iron transfusion, so I don't know if Virgo gonna come back. Y'all ain't told one lie in this chat. If y'all did, I missed it. But for the comments that I seen, baby, yet. Have y'all seen Main Squeeze lives? Because if y'all haven't caught a Main Squeeze, and Maya, woo, baby, I love Maya's lives down. I have not caught an Ice Powder Princess yet. I have not caught one of their lives yet. Are you a Leo? No, I'm a Virgo. Right there. The one who just said thing, yeah? If y'all ain't caught Maya, don't play with her because she is not one of them. And Maine ain't one of them either. Y'all be sleeping, honey. It be some good ones in the back. Yes, Clean With Me is fire too. Y'all be sleeping. I'm telling y'all better get me. When I be sharing these lives on my story, y'all better fall in. Y'all better fall in, baby. Mona Squeezes is really good, and she's new. Well, is she new? She new to me. I don't know if she new to the community. She new to me. She is new to me, baby. Period. Team Virgo. While we in the midst of talking about all these fire, hey Coley Bay. While we in the midst of talking about all these fire content creators, can y'all please drop y'all sponges in the chats? If y'all see somebody that y'all are not following, give them a follow. Support is support, baby. One little follow goes a long way. Coley, yes, girl. You missed the beginning. The beginning was so tea. Oh my God. Nessa, did anybody saying everybody can't be good because y'all always complaining about? I mean, I do be complaining about stuff, but they lives do be good. Hey, we don't still have complaints. That don't mean they're not good. I'm trying to slow roll this overload, y'all. Okay. What's on nigga? Nessa, did anybody stand for the last 3 less oils? If not, I'm gonna put those back on my shelf. Just because I like you don't mean I won't tell you about yourself. Because I will. Anybody selling sponges? Okay. Pop your stuff. I think that was all the rest of the liquid. With this last lesty. Let me check for the puzzle while I'm right here. No puzzle, Sammy. I sent you something. I see. Yeah, I did. I got it. Do you want me to use that for the lesty? Okay, save it. Okay. KT is one of my favorites. Well, was, but she did me wrong. So that's a get it off your chest, sister. Get it off your chest, friend. I'm screaming. Now she did me wrong. So I don't know. Wow, I'm screaming. I love you more. I am holler Dan, baby. You get on my nerves real bad. Wow her back, Nessa. Wow her back. She always be trying to use that wow on people. Wow her back from the shoulders. Mute her. I know you ain't over here promoting your tax business in my life. Get her up out of here. Thank you. Find somebody else to do it. Be for real. You want to block me to come promote your tax business? That's insanity. This is the last combo for tonight. I'm sorry. The nerve of some people be crazy to me. Now she don't block me to come promote in my life. That go crazy. They go crazy. I love you more. Oh, we can do a rinse. That's fine. KT, you getting on tonight? Who getting a combo 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 tonight? Period. I hope y'all blocked her too so she can't come back and try to promote at a later date. Cause that is crazy. I ain't mind you joining, but damn. Period. See love getting on. Hey, creative squeezes. Well, get on then, friend. That's how y'all know I don't be reading the comments. I'm like, what is going on? Thank y'all for the gifts. Only thing left for this combo is 3 less oils. If anybody want to add. If not, then less oils gonna go back on that shelf. If I failed my class, I'm blaming you. What you blaming me for? I ain't did nothing. I'm just the squeezer. Nikki, you get on? Nikki, that's where I got that bleach gel from. I mean that Lysol glue with the blue dish soap. I got it from your post. It was tea. I was like, I'm gonna do it just like Nikki did it. She did the suds first, then she added the dish soap in, served. Yes, more powder going in. I'm just trying to smooth it out as I go along. Okay, period, tomorrow. And y'all make sure y'all go over and tell Clean Talk Ashley congratulations on 10K. Show her some love. She's doing a Rainbow Live. I think she's on right now. Make sure y'all go pop it in her chat as well. I don't know who else is on, but I knew she was on. Okay, period. I love it that Charlie live. Charlie always want to get on live when I'm on live. I'm gonna have to have a strong conversation with her.